has some of the most innovative roofing accessories on the market. Today I want to talk about two of those, our pre-notched and our infinity drip edge. These products were designed to help installers with a quicker installation and to avoid fish mouthing. Now, what is fish mouthing on drip edge? What often happens is installers are in a hurry on a roof. We've all seen them try and do it in a day or 2 days on a roof and get to the next job. So what they end up doing is smashing two pieces together with a simple overlap, nailing those down really tight, and over time, through expansion and contraction, these are going to warp into themselves and cause a fish mouth where the homeowner can see that from the ground. Another thing we as installers do is we'll snip back the drip edge so then we have our standard overlap on there. Now that takes time for each piece. You have to snip whenever we're putting these together. It takes more time up on the roof. It can still cause fish mouthing if it's really inconsistent between multiple people cutting it on the roof. That's where these two products excel. So our pre-notched drip edge comes pre-notched on both ends. So it makes it really easy for installers to simply put the pieces together and nail it down. And that also helps avoid the fish mouthing effect when these are a consistent cut every single time. Our installers really like the pre-notched drip edge, but what's even better is our infinity drip edge. This one is designed to make it as simple as possible. It has an overlapping mechanism that's patented by Quality Edge, and all you have to do, put it in place, lock it in, and you're done. You can go as far as an overlap as you need to keep the water out and to make this look beautiful for expansion and contraction through the lifetime of this drip edge.